3 minus 1, I is equal to 2. So at second position, I pointer is placed, right? I greater than or equal to 0, 2 greater than or equal to 0, condition is true, right? Then we are calling the maxi tree along with these arguments n comma I. So what is the n value? N is equal to 7, I is equal to 2 na. So I is equal to 2. So here large is equal to I. So here large pointer also placed at same position, large. This is large. Large is equal to I. Fine. Then left is equal to 2 into I plus 1. I is nothing but index 2 into I. 2 into 2 plus 1, 4. So 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So this is the right. This is the left. This is the left. Fine. What is the right value? 2 into 2 plus 2, that is 6. This is right value. So we can set all the values. Then we are checking condition left less than n. What is the left value? Left index value 5 less than n, 7. Logical end of left less than of large, 5 greater than 7. This condition is failure, this condition is true. Both are true, then only we can process this statement. Why? Because in logical end condition both are true, then only we can return true statement. So that is large is equal to left. This is false, so that's why we are not execute this process. Again we are checking the condition. Right less than n. What is the right value? What is the right index value? 6 less than 7. Logical end of right. 8 greater than large, 7. Both are true. So that's why large value is said to be right. Now large value becomes this one, right? So after completion of this one, large not equal to I. So what is the large value? So large not equal to I. So large is said to be right now. So large is equal to 6. I value 6 not equal to 2. So condition true na. So that's why we are apply A of I, A of large. A of I means A of 2, A of large. So we are apply swapping procedure. Then we can call the A comma n comma large. So once we can apply swapping procedure, tree becomes like this: 6, 2, 7, 1, 0, 5, 8. Right now. So here, so once we can apply swapping procedure, this is 8, this is 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So this is left, this is right, this is I, this is a large. So you can apply swapping procedure, A of I, A of large, right? So then we can call A comma n comma large. So here again the control will be passed to this one. Now n value becomes 7, so I is equal to large. So large value is copied into I, right? Now I value becomes, so I is equal to large. What is the large value? I is equal to large, 6. I is equal to large, 6, right? So again we are checking this condition, large is equal to 6. So large is equal to 6. So here large is same. So large is equal to I. So large value is said to be 6. So what is the next position? For this tree we are also checking next nodes, right? So here nodes are presented, not presented. So that's why we are need not to check these conditions, right? So here large is equal to 6. 2 into 6 plus 1, 13. So 13th position is not presented. So once we can check this condition, obviously it returns false. So what is the next position? 2 into 6, 12 plus 2, 14. So 14 is also not presented index. So that's why there is no need not to check these conditions. Directly we can pass this one. So large not equal to I. So what is the large value? 6. What is the I value? So here we can set I value is 6, right? So now I value becomes this one, right? So here large is equal to I, 6 not equal to 6. Condition is failure, so that's why we cannot call the process. So the control will be passed to this one. Again I is decremented by 1. Now what is the value of I? So in previously I value is 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 greater than or equal to 0. Again we are calling the process. So here the process is repetitively called until all the elements satisfies the maxi tree property, right? So this is the simple tracing for this code, right? So in next session we can detailedly trace all the elements using this code, right? So if you have any doubts regarding to this session, please post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.